Welcome to the future of earning. In a world where trust is rare and middleman takes the lion's share, Helpy World dares to be different. Helpy World is not just another earning platform, but it's a revolution driven by technology, founded on transparency, and sustained by trust. At its core lies a fully decentralized smart contract, immutable, unstoppable, and unbreakable. Imagine a system without borders, without banks, where every transaction is peer to peer and every user has full control. No hidden hands, no centralized control, just you, the blockchain, and a global network that grows with every block. Welcome to Helpy World, where you can earn with confidence, grow with community, and thrive on 100% passive income powered by innovation. A borderless peer-to-peer earning ecosystem. So let's explore how it works and how you can be the part of this decentralized evolution. If we start with the official website of this platform, so that's www.helpyworld.io. Now, if we talk about the complete introduction details, so Helpy World is not just another earning platform, but it is a complete, fully fleshed, revolutionary opportunity where if we talk about smart contract, so that's a self-executing digital agreement written in code and deployed on blockchain. This is 100% decentralized opportunity without any intervention of any admin or owner, and you will also get full transparency benefit, absolute security along with global accessibility. So here you will get to see full spectrum services along with many other benefits, and here also you will get to see the specialized excellence in brand positioning, digital marketing, public relations, media planning, content development, and in crisis communication as well. So the entire business model of Helpy World successfully partnered with several prominent and influential clients including Siemens, Germany, and many more. Here you can see the globally spreaded all the business partners where the partners delivers comprehensive public relation and marketing solutions to clients across the globe. The main focus of this entire system is on strategic counseling along with public relation and crisis management. Now if we directly switch to the topic which you all are waiting for eagerly, so that's the complete income and business model. So if you also want to be the part of this revolutionary opportunity, you can be the part of Helpy World by investing a minimum amount of just $30. Now, once you have decided this investment amount, after that you are going to get multiple types of incomes from here, where if we start by understanding the direct income, so on each and every referral done by you, you are going to get $10 as your direct income benefit. This direct income has a lot of potential as it can provide you unlimited benefit on the basis of referrals done by you. Moving ahead, if we talk about the global business income plan, so the global business income plan provides you harvest income, prosperity income, power income, and infinity income. One by one, we will have a detailed discussion on all these topics where harvest income has the potential to give you a net profit of around $122, and this plan is mandatory for all the members. Whereas when you upgrade with $60, you will be eligible to get the prosperity income, which has the potential to provide you a net profit of worth $450, and you can upgrade this plan anytime. On the upgradation with $180, you will get power income with the potential to earn $1,410 worth of net profit. And on the upgradation with $480, you will be eligible to get infinity income, which has the potential to provide you up to $5,040 of net profit. So one by one, we will see all these incomes in detail. But before directly moving towards the detail, if we talk about some conditions for self-upgrade. So if a user manually upgrades to the next stage, using their own funds, then no deduction will be made from their fund or pool income. They will receive the full income here. However, if the user does not upgrade manually, the system will automatically deduct from their income and upgrade them to the next rank. If we talk about the distribution, so 25% amount goes to the direct income, 25% amount goes to the level income, and 50% amount goes to harvest, prosperity, power, and infinity plan. So now let us directly move towards the global business fund and let's understand in detail the harvest income which you can get from here. So this comes under the plan 1 where once you have completed your joining with $30, this income will be provided to you from a total of 6 levels, where in the very first level, when there are 2 members in your team, then from each of them you will get $1. Total level income will be of $2 and there are no hidden conditions. In level 2, when the multiplication of team makes your team members to be 4, you will get $1 from them each. Total income will be $4. In level 3, when there are 8 members, then again you will get $1 from them each. Total income will be of $8 and here you need to do one new direct referral. In level 4, when you have 16 members, you will get $1.5 from them each. Total you will get $24. $10 will be deducted for upgrade and here you need to do one direct referral. In level 5, when there are 32 members, your income from each user will be $1.5. Total level income will be $48. $20 will be deducted for upgrade and here also you have to do one new direct referral. And finally, the 6th level, where you have 64 members of team, your income from each user will be $1.5. Total level income which you will receive will be $96 and $30 will be deducted for upgrade and there are no condition for this level. So this is how when we total all these levels, the total net profit which you can get in the form of harvest income is $122. After that, if we talk about plan 2, so once you have upgraded your ID with $60, then you will be eligible to get the prosperity income from a total of 6 levels, where again the condition goes like the same. In level 1 on having 2 members, you will be getting $5 from them each. Total level income which you will receive would be of $10. In level 2 on having 4 members, income which you will get from each user will be of $5 and total level income which you will receive will be $20. Level 3, when you have 8 members, according to $5 you will get total $40, where you have to do one direct referral. Similarly, level 4, 5 and 6 details has been displayed on your screen, on the completion of which you will be eligible to get a net profit of $450 as prosperity income. And without taking a lot of your time, directly we talk about the total benefit you can get from power income. So when you upgrade yourself with $180 in the form of power income through plan 3, you can earn the income from 6 levels, where you have the opportunity to earn up to $1,410 worth of net profit. And finally, when you upgrade yourself with $480, then in the form of infinity income through plan 4, you have the opportunity to earn up to $5,040 of net profit as your great global business fund benefit. So likewise, this amazing benefit is all waiting for you. We're now moving ahead if we directly talk about the complete level structure income which you can get from here. So you will be getting this level income from a total of 10 levels. In level 1, income distributed with harvest plan will be $1, which we have already discussed above. Income which will be distributed with prosperity plan will be $2. Income distributed with power plan will be of $5 and income distributed with infinity plan will be of $12. Similarly, here you can see in level 2, 3, 4 and 5, the calculation goes the same for all the levels. Whereas if we talk about level 6 to 10, so in each level from level 6 to 10, income distributed with harvest plan will be $0.5. Income distributed with prosperity plan will be $1. Income distributed with power plan will be $4. And in each level, income distributed with infinity plan is $12. So that's how the total income from harvest plan is of $7.5, from prosperity plan it's of $15, from power plan it's of $45, and from infinity plan you have the opportunity to earn $120 of level income per user as your great benefit. Now moving ahead, we are going to talk about the 5x income retop up plan. So you have to retop up your account to continue earning from Helpy World's plan, because income will stop after 5x times of earning. So you have the following options for retop up in Helpy World's income plan. First of all, if we talk about the $30 retop up plan, so level income 1 level to 15 levels will be $1. 2 IDs will be added in harvest plan. And if we talk about the $100 of retop up plan, so here level income from level 1 to level 10 will be $4. Level income from level 11 to 15 will be $2. Direct income will be $20 and 4 IDs will be added in harvest plan. Now, last but not the least, if we talk about the monthly reward income which you can get from here, so on the basis of total team members, out of which some will be counted from power leg and some of them from the fresh joining, you will be getting amazing monthly rewards from here. So, if you have a total team of 50 members, out of them from power leg 20 will be counted, maximum 40%, and remaining 60% must be from fresh joining, that means 30 members. Then on this you will be getting a monthly reward of $100. When you have a total team member of 100, where from power leg 40 members and fresh joining 60 members will be counted, then your monthly reward will be of $200. When you have a total team of 250 members, where in power leg 100 must be counted and from fresh joining 150 will be counted, then your monthly reward will be of $500. Similarly, as your total team members keeps on increasing, you have the opportunity to earn up to $10,000, which is a great advantage you can get in the form of monthly reward income. So for getting this monthly reward, you have to maintain minimum 2 lakh, and monthly reward income will not be counted in the 5x income line. Monthly rewards will be given after a 10% deduction, which will be transferred to the harvest plan. So likewise, this was the complete income and business model of this greatest of greatest opportunity. We're now moving ahead if we talk about some important terms and conditions. So minimum withdrawal can be done of $10, minimum deposit of $30, admin charges are 10% on every withdrawal and P2P transaction. On updation or change of password, withdrawal will be suspended for the next 48 hours. You can retop up in all global business plan anytime, and reward income will not be counted for 5x income cap. So that's how these were the complete details of this great opportunity of Helpy World, where if you also want to be the part of this opportunity, then regular updates will be provided on the social media channels, for which you can get the link from the description. And for more information, you can also visit www.helpyworld.io. Thank you.